Diamonds are often seen as symbols of rarity, luxury, and nature's perfection. But today, many of the diamonds used in jewelry, electronics, and heavy industry are not mined from the earth at all. They're made in laboratories, and no country does this at a larger scale than China. Welcome once again to Factify TV. In this video, we'll explore how China makes artificial diamonds, the two main technologies behind them, and why China has become the undisputed global leader in this industry for billions of years. Natural diamonds formed deep inside the earth under extreme heat and pressure. Scientists discovered that if those exact conditions could be recreated artificially, diamonds could be grown in weeks instead of millions of years. China mastered this idea and turned it into a massive industrial operation. There are two primary methods China uses to create artificial diamonds: high pressure, high temperature, also known as HPHT, and chemical vapor deposition, or CVD. Let's start with HPHT, the oldest and most widely used method. HPHT technology mimics the natural environment in which diamonds form underground. Inside a massive press, carbon is exposed to extremely high pressure, around 5 to 6 gigapascals, and temperatures exceeding 1,400 degrees Celsius. Under these conditions, carbon atoms rearrange themselves into a crystal structure identical to natural diamond. China has perfected this process on an industrial scale. Large factories operate thousands of HPHT presses at the same time, producing millions of diamonds every year. Most of these are industrial-grade diamonds used for cutting tools, drilling equipment, polishing machines, and construction applications. What makes China unique is that it doesn't just produce diamonds. It also manufactures the HPHT presses themselves. Chinese companies design and build these massive machines domestically, giving the country complete control over the supply chain and dramatically reducing costs. This self-sufficiency is one of the key reasons China dominates the global artificial diamond market. Now let's move on to the second method. Chemical vapor deposition, or CVD. CVD is a more advanced and precise technique, especially popular for producing gem-quality diamonds used in jewelry and high-tech electronics. Instead of using extreme pressure, CVD relies on a carbon-rich gas, usually methane, placed inside a sealed vacuum chamber. The gas is heated using microwaves or plasma until the carbon atoms break apart. These free carbon atoms slowly settle onto a diamond seed crystal, layer by layer, growing a diamond over time. Almost like 3D printing at the atomic level. CVD diamonds grow more slowly than HPHT diamonds, but the result is often higher purity and better clarity. This makes them ideal for luxury jewelry, semiconductors, optics, and even quantum computing research. China has rapidly expanded its CVD capabilities, investing heavily in research and scaling production to compete globally. Today, Chinese labs produce some of the world's highest quality lab-grown diamonds. Why is China so dominant in this industry? First, scale. China produces more than 90% of the world's synthetic diamonds by volume, especially industrial diamonds. No other country comes close. Second, cost efficiency. Lower manufacturing costs, domestic machinery production, and massive industrial infrastructure allow China to sell diamonds at prices competitors struggle to match. Third, technological control. From HPHT presses to CVD reactors, Chinese companies build and improve their own equipment, reducing reliance on foreign technology. And finally, global demand. Artificial diamonds are no longer just cheap substitutes. They're essential materials for modern industries, used in smartphones, electric vehicles, aerospace components, medical tools, and renewable energy systems. As demand rises, China's dominance becomes even more influential. This shift has had a major impact on the global diamond market. Traditional diamond mining countries face increasing competition, especially in industrial sectors where lab-grown diamonds are cheaper, more consistent, and environmentally cleaner. Even the jewelry industry is changing. Lab-grown diamonds are now accepted by many consumers as ethical, sustainable, and visually identical to natural diamonds, often at a fraction of the price. In conclusion, China didn't just learn how to make artificial diamonds. It industrialized the process at an unprecedented scale, by mastering HPHT and CVD technologies, controlling machinery production, and supplying both industrial and gem-quality diamonds. China has reshaped the global diamond industry. Diamonds may still be forever, but today, many of them are made in a lab, and most of them come from China. Thank you for watching Factify TV. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.